back with Daniela Burg from CAU. Daniela, thanks for joining Common Interest.
Thanks
Great
for
to
having
have
me.
you.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, it's really exciting. We've known you for a while.
Yeah.
I'm glad you're finally getting on the episode.
Awesome.
All of our subscribers and viewers have been asking for you to come
Oh,
on.
I'm sure. Hi, everybody.
Yes. So, Daniela, why don't you tell everyone what you do at CAU?
I'm a executive claims adjuster at CAU. I've been there, it'll be 13 years this summer. I've been in claims my whole life. Before that, I was a insurance defense attorney in New York, and so it's been insurance for the last 20-some years.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
What do you like about claims and handling claims?
Oh gosh, it's like solving a puzzle, figuring out the coverages and investigating the facts and seeing where everything comes together. It really is, it's like a logic puzzle.
Yeah.
It's fun.
So we're here at the CAI conference,
We are.
right, in Vegas. So Vegas question.
Yeah,
Whatever happens in Vegas stays in Vegas, or you're an open book?
open book.
Okay, I like that.
I'm an open book.
I am. Greg's not.
That's not true. I am open.
You
book.
I
did.
did, yeah.
You amended
My
your
life is an
answer.
open book.
My life is an open book as well. I'm not very scandalous. So.
So we're at the conference. What do you like about the conference so far?
Oh, you know what? Seeing friends that I don't get to see on a daily basis, reconnecting with everybody that I see just really a couple times a year, and hearing kind of what's going on and the trends that are happening, and the great reminders of what we should be telling our insureds. Primarily talk to your attorneys, find out.
Talk to your insurance is always a good one for us.
Yeah.
So let me ask you this: how have you been able to use your litigation skills when you were an attorney doing insurance defense to now claims handling? What kind of skills translated, and what have you seen?
I think just knowing litigation from the other side is so helpful in adjusting claims, knowing when a motion should be filed, when we should be pushing to settle a case, when we should truly be defending a case. When I first started, I was always pushing to continue a defense and never ever settle. But I've learned that there's business decisions that come into it, and spending money unnecessarily on a defense when it's something that can be settled for a small amount of money. There's lots of considerations to come into play, but I think just having that background and knowing the investigations, what should be looked for in a deposition, what kind of experts we need.
The day-to-day handling of the case, right?
Yeah, the ins and outs of litigation it's a helpful skill set in adjusting claims.
Yeah, I think that's probably great having that kind of background. It helps us strategize better with you having that background. So I think you probably have a leg up too on everyone else that does it in claims. Any favorite session that you've had? I know you're going to speak. Right?
I am going to
That's
speak.
That's going to be your favorite session, right?
That's going to be my favorite session. I'm speaking in 1 hour about FHA claims, Fair Housing Act claims, and the insurance implications with those. I was just sat through the case update, which is always interesting, hearing what's going on in different states. We insure across the country, and I am by no means an expert in any one state, so it's great to hear what's going on. And that's been my favorite.
Did you have a takeaway from the case review that you can share with our listeners?
Really, the takeaway is the same as what I just mentioned. Talk to your attorneys. Community managers are not necessarily insurance experts. So you really need to talk to your insurance brokers. You need to talk to your general counsel and really, amend documents where needed and just get sound advice before problems arise.
Yeah, I think that's a good piece of advice. We'll get you out of here on a Vegas question so you can go prep. So, favorite hotel in Vegas?
Oh, Aria, where we are right now. It's beautiful.
That's an easy one.
Yeah.
All right, Danielle, thanks for coming on.
Thank
we enjoyed
you.
having you, and we'll see you next time.
Sounds
Thanks,
great.
Danielle.
Thanks.